In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do to connect your Facebook page to your ManyChat account so you can get started running a Facebook Messenger bot. If we haven't met, I'm Charlie Walker and I'm obsessed with messenger bots. And if you're a part of the 1% or so of internet marketers that think that Facebook Messenger is going to drive some real results to your business, then go ahead and subscribe, because I've got a lot of tips and tricks and how-to videos, and also staying current with the updates that are happening on the platform. I've also got a free course for you if you want to kind of sink your teeth really into it and follow a plan to build and grow your Facebook Messenger channel or Facebook Messenger bot. Look in the description, and I've got a link for you that'll take you there, and it's free. So let's jump right into this materials and figure out how to connect your page to ManyChat. So you're going to go to ManyChat.com, obviously, and just click Get Started for free. And this is going to just obviously take you to a place where you don't have to log in, but it's going to you have to have a Facebook account, right? And it's going to make you sign in with Facebook, because that's what it's all based on, right? This chatbot stuff, it's the messenger bots. Sorry, it's a client. Let me hop out of here. So it's all linked through Facebook. So it's kind of nice. You don't have to type in your email and all of that, which is also great because that's how your clients are going to interact with you. Your future clients, your potential audience is going to interact with you by this seamless, interaction of just clicking a button. Oh, you already logged in through Facebook? Well, perfect. Here's everything you need to contact them. All right, so let's jump ahead. So you've clicked that button, right? You're probably not going to be seeing the exact same thing that I'm seeing. So right now I'm just showing you a page that I've connected in the past to do some demonstrations. But right now you're inside ManyChat, okay? So you're logged in. ManyChat, it's a free tool. There's you can upgrade for some premium things. I think it's like $10 a month. Basically nothing, right? But what you're interested in now is figuring out how you can go from having a ManyChat account to connecting it to your Facebook page, okay? So these chatbots, these ManyChat chatbots, Facebook Messenger, whatever, it's going to connect to your Facebook page, okay? Not your group, not your personal profile, but your Facebook page. That's where it's going to live. You can still do a lot of interactions through groups and your personal profile, your web page, email, everything like that, but it's going to live on your Facebook page. So kind of have that as a point of reference. So the first thing you're going to have to do is actually link it to your page. Okay, and it can be a little bit technical, but we're going to go right through it. All right, so the next step is you want to get your Facebook page ready to be able to accept a chatbot. You want to be able to accept ManyChat being able to link to your Facebook page. So there's a few things you need to do in the settings before you actually connect them. So we're just going to hop into Facebook. You're going to go into the page that you want to edit. For me, I'm going to go into my own account because I know the settings are already fine. Okay, and then go to settings, and there's going to be a few settings here. We're going to look in general, and then we're going to look in messaging. Okay, so in general, I want to look at this. I want to see messages. Allow people to contact my page privately. You want to make sure this one is checked. And I think that's the only one that you really need to mess with on here. All my other stuff is just default. It's just how it came. So unless you've played with anything within the settings here in general, it should look just like this. The other one is messaging. Okay, so you want to go into here. You want to, so it should, and again, it should just look just like this. This should be off. This should be on. The other one is, let's see, reminders. This one's on, and I think that's fine. Show a messenger greeting. Leave that off because we're going to build that integration within ManyChat. Okay, so it should look basically identical to what you're seeing here. General settings, use return key off, prompt visitors send messages on, off, blah, blah, blah. You can read through and see and just reconcile your Facebook settings in Messenger to what I'm showing here. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to go back into ManyChat, and you're going to go up here in the top left here, and you're going to see, for you, it's probably just going to say add new page. You're going to click add new page, and what it's going to do here is it's going to look at your Facebook account and say, what are all of the Facebook pages that this person is an admin for, and he has the ability to connect a chatbot to it. And it's going to show them here. Okay, so I've got this one, obviously is my business, and then there's other ones that I've had demonstrations with before. This one is prompting me to connect. That's what you're probably going to see on your side. So go ahead and click to connect whichever Facebook page you're looking um, to connect, right?
So congratulations, you guys now have your Facebook Messenger connected, or your Facebook page connected to ManyChat. Now what do you do? Well, there's really a lot of things that you can do with ManyChat linking to Facebook Messenger. You can, in the most simple form, you can get a link where you can create, or you can create a little bot, or a big bot, but you can create a bot and you can get a link. And what will happen is, if somebody clicks the link, they will be taken to Facebook Messenger and they'll be taken to your bot. And basically, a bot is just a pre-recorded or pre-built conversation that's going to take the user through whatever you build. So definitely look through my channel or look through other YouTube channels. What you're going to be looking for how to interact with your audience is called a growth tool. So if you're inside ManyChat and you click on growth tools and you just click new, you can kind of see all the different options you have for getting somebody that doesn't exist in your bot now into your bot. So now is the fun part where you start to discover what all the options there are, and it can be overwhelming and it can be really fun because you can think about how it can be related to your business, how your business could use the Facebook comment to Messenger, or how you could run Facebook ads. Instead of running to maybe an email opt-in, you can run it to a Facebook Messenger opt-in. So those are just some of the ideas. And if you're just starting out, welcome to this journey. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of potential. It's just from where you saw the connecting to your Facebook page, it's not difficult. Some of it can be like a few steps you have to take, but there's no code or anything like that. At least in this, you're not going to need any code until very far out. And even then, you probably don't need to actually know how to do code. It's really just copy and pasting some JavaScript kind of stuff if you want to integrate with Zapier and your email provider. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. There's a lot more content, definitely on my channel, other people's channels as well. I do want to mention the free course that I built is really going to help you out and get you started and in a logical step so that you can go from being brand new to actually having subscribers into your Messenger bot. So look in the description for the link. The course is free, and I'll see you there. Thanks, guys.